Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Really, we started maybe 4 years ago. When I came to Australia, maybe 9 or 10 years ago, I found one of the most serious challenge faced or met the Muslim community here is the family dispute resolution. The relationship between the couples, the relationship between the husband and wife and their children, and the outcome of this relationship on the settlement and the progress of our community. Unfortunately, a lot of people don't know the meaning of marriage. When they come here, they think marriage it's a relationship between a body and another body. That means it's a fun and entertainment. It is not mutual understanding, it is not mutual responsibility. And after 1 month or 1 year, people come here asking divorce. It's very surprised and shocked for us to find two couples after 1 year coming here for divorce. That means a lot of problems happened before. Why not? They know what's the meaning of marriage, what's the meaning of having children, how can they live together. After that, we find a lot of problems. When a person have a problem with his wife, and after that separation in the civilian way or the legal way happened, after that he tried to harm his wife. He don't like to give her right of divorce or khula or terminating or fasakh the contract. He tried to harm her, and the lady may stay 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and she don't find. And unfortunately, some of our, and sorry for saying this, our mashayikh or our sheikhs, they don't know the Islamic rules regarding divorce in the right way. And sometimes instead of solving the problem, complicating the issue more than is necessary. And alhamdulillah, we worked hard, and we saw, we can say, more than 4,500 cases. We solved it a lot. We fixed the issues between the husband and his wife a lot, but we helped it in the other way to let the lady get her right of separation, to get her right of divorce, to get her right of khula, to solve the issue of custody of the children, to solve the issue of financial property and all of this. So we did a lot, but one organization can't do this alone. So we prefer, from the experience of dealing with more than 4,500 cases, before marriage you should know what's the meaning of marriage. What's the meaning of having a children? What are the rights and the duties of husband and wife? Before asking your rights, you should do your duty. So please join with us on that day.